Hello, today we will discuss how to solve AD user unknown server nslookup unknown server and address one. Dot one actually it is the IPv6 address. So let's see the actual problem. After configuring AD user, we check nslookup. Configuring AD user perfectly, when you open PowerShell and look for nslookup, if your system shows default server unknown and address .1, it's mean your system search for IPv6, but yours you configuring network in IPv4. That's why this problem occurred. Let's see how to solve this problem. First, open server manager dashboard, then go to local server. See, I have configured IPv4, but IPv6 is enabled, and IPv6 DNS not change, and your system prefer IPv6 first. You can solve this problem by unmark this IPv6 or go through IPv6, then obtain DNS automatically mark and press OK. Let's see. Open PowerShell, nslookup. See, my default server, get the default server and address is my server address. You also disable IPv6, unmark IPv6 and OK. You can solve this by unmark IPv6 also. That's simple. There is also another problem. If you not configure your network in OL system, your DNS server will not your machine network. If this DNS server address and network, your IP address not same, then you face this problem also. But make sure your DNS server IP address and your system IP address both are same. And another problem is reverse lookup problem. Go to tools, DNS, reverse lookup zone. If you don't create reverse lookup zone, you will face this problem also. So create reverse lookup zone and you will see this problem is solved. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.